Welcome to HomePan TriPro. Today, we are diving deep into a kitchen appliance that promises to revolutionize your rice cooking game and so much more. We're talking about the Toshiba 6-cup uncooked rice cooker, specifically the model with fuzzy logic technology. Is this Japanese-style cooker the upgrade your kitchen has been waiting for, or just another appliance gathering dust? Let's find out. First impressions matter, and this Toshiba rice cooker certainly makes a good one. It's a sleek, white unit that doesn't demand a lot of counter space, yet it boasts a 6-cup uncooked capacity, which translates to about 12 cups of cooked rice, perfect for families or for when you have guests over. The digital display is clear and intuitive, making it easy to navigate through its impressive array of functions. And speaking of functions, this is where the Toshiba really starts to shine. It's not just a rice cooker, it's a multifunction kitchen workhorse. You've got 7 distinct cooking programs: mixed rice, quick rice, brown rice, white rice, multi-grain rice, porridge, and even steel-cut oats. Beyond just rice, the settings extend to porridge, soup, and stew, and the inclusion of a steamer basket means you can effortlessly prepare vegetables, meats, and fish simultaneously. This versatility is truly a game-changer for anyone looking to streamline their meal preparation. The magic behind its consistent results is the fuzzy logic technology. This isn't just a buzzword. It means the cooker intelligently senses the moisture content of your rice and automatically adjusts the temperature and cooking time. This takes all the guesswork out of achieving perfectly fluffy rice every single time. No more undercooked grains or mushy disasters. It also ensures that whatever you're cooking, from delicate grains to hearty stews, is done to perfection by fine-tuning the cooking parameters. The description also mentions industry-leading 3D cooking technology and an intelligent 6-step cooking process, which further reinforces the idea that this cooker is designed for optimal results. Ease of use is a major selling point, and Toshiba seems to have nailed it here. The user-friendly interface with its digital display and clear menu options makes selecting your desired program a breeze. Once cooking is complete, the auto keep warm function is a lifesaver. It maintains your rice at the perfect serving temperature for up to 15 hours, meaning your rice is ready when you are, without any degradation in quality. The accessories included a measuring cup, spatula, soup ladle, and the all-important steamer basket mean you can get started right out of the box. Safety is also a priority, and this cooker comes equipped with several features to ensure hassle-free cooking. The detachable power cord prevents those annoying accidental tugs. The lid locks securely during operation to prevent spills, and a thermal fuse is in place to prevent overheating. The steam vent cap is designed to manage hot steam, and the automatic shutoff provides peace of mind. For a cooker that offers so much advanced technology, it's remarkably budget-friendly compared to some high-end models, making it an excellent option for those seeking quality without breaking the bank. Cleaning is often the bane of kitchen appliances, but the Toshiba rice cooker is designed with ease of care in mind. The inner cooking pot features a non-stick surface, making cleaning incredibly simple. While the pot itself isn't dishwasher safe and requires mild soap and a soft cloth, the exterior can be wiped down with a damp cloth. Even the steam valve and its cap are removable for thorough cleaning, preventing any buildup and ensuring hygienic operation for years to come. The removable large steam vent is also a thoughtful touch, preventing messy overflows during the cooking process. Now, let's talk about the pros and cons. On the positive side, the versatility is outstanding. The fuzzy logic technology delivers consistently perfect rice and handles other dishes with ease. The ease of use and the long-lasting keep-warm function are major convenience factors. Safety features are comprehensive, and the ease of cleaning is a welcome bonus. The capacity is generous for most households. However, there are a couple of points to consider. As mentioned, the inner pot is not dishwasher safe, which might be an inconvenience for some. Also, while it's a fantastic cooker for rice and basic steaming, it's not designed for complex recipes that might require sautéing or slow cooking in the traditional sense. It's a dedicated rice cooker with expanded capabilities, not a full multi-cooker like an Instant Pot. In conclusion, the Toshiba 6-cup uncooked rice cooker with fuzzy logic technology is an exceptional appliance for anyone who enjoys perfectly cooked rice and wants to simplify their meal preparation. Its advanced technology, user-friendly design, and impressive versatility make it a standout in its category. If you're looking for consistent, delicious results without the fuss, this Toshiba cooker is definitely worth a serious look. Link in the description.